back to my channel. So I did a video on this makeup look, and I don't know which video is gonna go up first, the makeup or the hair, but either way I did a look on the hair and the makeup, so whichever one you see first is wait for the next one. So I only have one video up on hair. My videos are usually makeup related. I don't do a lot of hair. I do very simple hair, and I just do hair for myself. So I used to use Bellamy's wand, and I loved it so much until like I started burning myself every time I used it. Like I have a huge, I don't know if you guys can see, but like I don't know how to show you guys, but like I don't know if you can see it, but I have like a huge burn right here, and I have like small burns all over my hands, and once I burn my neck with it, because on the tip of it, it doesn't have that little plastic protecting thing. I don't know what exactly it's called, and every time, and it gets really hot, so every time I use it, like I bump into my hand or like my neck or anything. My sister actually burned me once with that wand while she was using it, so that one has burned me a lot of times, and I still love it though. But I was actually thinking of buying another one, and I was waiting for their ones to go on sale, because I know on Christmas time they usually have a sale, because they're usually like almost $200. And when I got my set, and my set is the one that comes with like 6 different wands, and I love all the wands and stuff, but like they all burn you. So I was like, let me wait and get the ones. I think now they have the ones that has the little plastic part, so it doesn't burn you. But fortunately, the Vol, this company right here, they were nice enough to contact me, and I talked to somebody from the company. His name is Michael, and he was the nicest guy ever. He offered to send me one of their, he actually sent me his website and said whichever wand you like or a hair straightener, we'll be happy to send you as long as you do a video for us and just review the product. So this is the wand I picked, because this is what I use. So this is a curling wand. It comes with 3 different sizes. I actually started using it already. So the wand itself, so this is what it comes with. But I changed it because I don't use this all the time. This is the wand like I use mostly. And this is, what size is this? Hold on. I'm not sure of the sizes. There's 3 different sizes. Okay, so they have the 19, 25, and 32. And 25 is my favorite. I always use this one, and I have been using this one for the past week, and I love it because my curls do stay. And this is the smaller one, if I can get it out. This is the 19th one. This is the 19 mm wand. So what I usually do is like the first, like when I wash my hair the first day, I use the 25 mm, and then like the third day, second day, I use the 19, because like it gives my hair more volume, and tighter curls, more volume. That's why I use it basically. But I love the loose curls, so this is what I love. But I have thin hair, so I usually need to get more volume, so I use the smaller ones. After like this first day, I still had the plastic. I'm just gonna take that off now. See you guys, this is what I really love about this one. It has this little plastic part where like it's protecting your skin. So like let's say I'm going like this, right, and I always like would go like this and hit my arm, or like I have like few marks over here that faded. I had one right here from the other one, and this one thankfully has this little plastic protecting part that won't let you get burned. And I also love that it has the on button, and then it has a little screen here where you can change the temperature. You can make it as high as you want or as low as you want. I'm gonna tell you guys. It's on here. It says how high it goes. It goes from 265 to 430. I usually do like 360 or something, sometimes 410 if I'm in a rush. And so I really love that you have the control over how much heat you want to apply onto your hair. So yeah, And it's really easy to change the wands. It's literally lock and unlock. I'm gonna just show you guys. So unlock, so right here, push down and then lock. That's all you have to do. So I'm gonna plug this in. It wasn't plugged in, guys. I wouldn't be holding it in my hand like that if it was, because it does get really hot. And I love that, like, your curls do stay long. I always get people asking me what wand I use and how I keep my curls, and it's usually this kind of wands that I use, and the Bellamy. But if you don't want to spend as $200 on a wand, I would recommend this. This is 100, and the Bellamy one is I think it's like $199 or something. I'm not sure, but when I got it, it was during Christmas, and I got it like, I think like 6 years ago, and it still works perfectly. But it's just expensive, but like 6 wands and you still get a lot of use out of it. It's worth it. But I would, if I were you, I would definitely go with this one because of this little plastic part. If I were you, I would definitely go with this one because of this little plastic protecting part and how much heat you want to apply on your eyes, and you have total control over that. So I'm just gonna turn this on. So now see, it's on, and I'm gonna, it has a plus and minus button. I'm gonna, it's 200, right? 212 right now. I'm gonna bring it to 410. Well, just let it warm up, and then I'll show you how I use it to curl my hair. And for hairspray, you guys, this is my go-to. I always use Tresemme. This is not sent to me. I got this with my own money, but I just love that hairspray. Okay, so how I do my curls. I see a lot of girls, they like just leave their hair open and then they just take sections like this and just curl. But the thing is, you have to like clip away whatever hair you're not curling at the moment. So I'm gonna turn around and show you guys how I do it. So I'm just gonna like take this much hair. I'm leaving this section out, and then I'm taking this part and I'm gonna just clip this away. I'm gonna look a little funny for a little bit, but that's okay. So the hair that we have in the back, I'm gonna section it in two and bring it to the front like that. I need my mirror. So just give it a little brush. So do not spray your hair before you curl it. Always curl it first, then spray, because what happens when you put the hairspray on and then curl it, it kind of burns your hair. Like the product is getting like into your hair and it's burning. It's really not good for your hair. And I know I should be using a hair protecting serum or something, but I don't have any close to me right now and I'm lazy to get up, so we're just gonna go with this. So I'm getting the, oh my god, I'm scared because I'm scared of like doing this on camera because I can't really see what I'm doing. But okay, here it goes. Bismillah. I'm gonna curl around like that. As I'm curling, I'm like twisting my hair. I'm gonna hold my hair for like 5 seconds and then just let go like this. And then let it cool in your hand for a second. And then use some hairspray on it and just let it fall, okay, for a little bit. So do the same thing on this side. Guys, watch me burn myself on video. So let go. Hold it in your hand for a second. Just let it cool. And then let it down. And then give it a spray. Okay. So basically, this is what I'm gonna do all over my head. Just section a little bit and then curl. Section, curl. So do you guys see how I'm twisting my hair as I put it around the wand? This gives you like those nice tight curls. Not tight, but like it kind of makes your curls stay longer. Okay, and now just let go. So we're gonna open up these curls later, but for now just let it be. This is gonna be my last section, so I'm just gonna part my hair right here. Okay, so when I get closer to the top, I take smaller sections. So I'm gonna make this 2 sections and then curl the back first. Oh, also guys, this comes with a little glove. I don't like wearing gloves. I feel like I can't do anything when I have a glove on. But if you want, you can wear the glove. I'll show you in a second, but I just can't do a glove. I mean, with this one, you're pretty safe. I don't think you're gonna burn anything. So, but if you're still one of those people who like gloves, you got the option of wearing a glove if you wanted to. Okay. This side of my head, I have more hair, so I'm going to section it into 3. Here we go. My hair already looks so much fuller and voluminous. Do you guys see my fat arms? Ugh. You know what sucks? My hair looks so good right now and I have nowhere to go. I wish I was going somewhere, but I'm not. Plus it's raining out, so it was gonna get all ruined. Okay, so... Oh yeah, guys, so like, always make sure you're twisting hair away from your face, not towards your face. I see some people, like, they curl their hair towards your face. I'm like, oh, that's not a good look. There we go. So I usually let it sit like this for like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. And I'll be right back. So now what I'm gonna do is take this wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna slowly brush my hair. I'm gonna sit back so you guys can see. You see how pretty that looks? Okay. Very nice and soft curls. The same thing on this side. Gently just brush the hair. This is how the hair looks now. I'm gonna put it back. So also one more thing I do, you guys, I don't know if I can do it on the camera. Maybe if I stand. Okay. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and then give it a good spray, okay? Like this. Take your spray. I don't know what I'm filming right now, but basically just spray your hair. Yeah, I'm on the camera, okay. So basically just spray it and then let the spray dry a little bit. I look crazy right now, but that's fine. So, yep, and then there we go. Do you guys see how much volume that just gave me? So now that you have the volume, just slowly run your fingers through your hair. So like that. So yeah, this is how I get my Victoria's Secret curls. I love curly hair. It's so beautiful and classy, and it just gives your hair like a lot of volume, and it just, I don't know, it's very girly and beautiful. So I love straight hair too, but I don't have thin hair. I have thin strands of hair, so I have a lot of hair, but the strands of my hair is pretty thin, so that's why, like, I don't have a lot of volume. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little tutorial. I'm not a hair expert, so if I made any mistakes, excuse me, but this is how I do my hair. I'm not saying this is the right way or the wrong way. This is just how I do my own hair. So if you guys like it, please thumbs up. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.